Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You need the right tools now, so pick up a flat pry tool, hair dryer, rubbing alcohol, and a cloth. First, identify the liner type, removable foam, fabric sock, or glued insert, because the method changes. Apply low heat for 20-30 seconds to soften adhesive if the liner feels stuck. Make sure to keep the dryer moving to avoid warping. Then, start at a heel edge and gently pry a small gap with the tool, feeling for resistance as you lift the liner. Once you have a small gap, continue working in 1 to 2 inch sections, reheating each spot briefly so the adhesive stays pliable. Use rubbing alcohol on a cloth to dab the glue line, which weakens many adhesives. Make sure to avoid saturating the shell so the material doesn't deform. Keep a shallow pry angle and small steady motions, and if the liner peels unevenly, pause and reheat that area before continuing, so you don't tear the liner or puncture the crock. When the liner is off, remove leftover adhesive by dabbing with rubbing alcohol and gently scrubbing with a soft brush. Allow to dry fully so replacement adhesive bonds. If you're installing a new liner, test the fit before gluing because alignment matters. Make sure to use adhesive recommended for EVA or rubber. If something goes wrong, a small tear or stubborn spot, reapply heat and slowly work the area, and consider an adhesive patch for minor damage to avoid replacing the entire crock.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.